Let us take an example on application of counting in millions. Let's say we're given this statement that says Tyson was paid $25.08 million US dollars for a boxing match. And then the task is write the amount paid to Tyson in full digits and in word form. So the task is to write out this amount, 25.08 million US dollars in full digits and then in words. What you do is you understand that the 25 is in the million categories, and after the million we always have thousand and then ones. Each of these are in three groups. 3 in one group, 3 in one group. That is 3 for ones, 3 for thousands, and 3 for millions. When you are starting, the number will then go followed by a 0 if it is incomplete. But the first one is always written as it is. That is before the decimal place. What this means is that we have 25 million plus 0.08 million. So the one in the million category is the number 25. What follows is the 08, which is in the category after the million, that is the thousands. So if we are writing this in digits, we would write as 25. Then the next one will be 08. Now note that these thousands is supposed to have 3 digits, so we end it with another 0. Good. And then the final 3 for the ones will be filled with zeros. So Tyson was paid 25 million and 80,000 US dollars for the match. Now let's write this in words. The million, the thousand, and the ones. So it will be 25 million and 80,000 US dollars. So therefore Tyson was paid 25 million and 80,000 US dollars. You can go on to write the whole statement as it was in the question by saying Tyson was paid. Now the number 25 million and 80,000 US dollars. Then finally for a boxing match. And that is how we apply counting in millions to everyday life. Thank you.